Okay. Aloha kako, aloha ilana'i. Thank you guys for joining us again today. We're gonna be working through the same, reviewing the things we learned last time, then adding like a few more words to try to expand to some bigger ideas today. So ola ka ʻŌlelo, ola ola nai. The language lives, lana'i lives. Let's start out with ʻŌlelo. ʻŌlelo hano hano lana'i.
I'll just finish it later.
Alright, we can keep working on it. Mahalo kapua hinana. So kapua hinana will ala kaisha lead for us. If you guys are able to, please kuilona, please stand. Mahalo hinana. Mahalo hinana.
Daddy.
Akaka. Pali ke kua, mahina ke alo, e oli kako, e oli. Hano hano lana. Oli kako.
Ai hano lana I ke kauna ua, ko huka pahu ula kau po ohiwi.
E ola lana I a kaulula au, he aku mako e o mai oe. Hano hano lana I ke kauna ua, ko huka pahu ula kau po ohiwi. E ola lana I a kaulula au, he aku mako e o mai oe. E ola. Ai, mahalo ni. Oh, for Ikeva, I saw a small mistake over here. Yeah. Okay. Those lines, the kahako, the lines that go over the letters, those are important markers that help us understand how to pronounce our ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. But aloha. Okay, so you guys remember when we're in this workshop, if you guys can help me out by showing when you understand. What is the signal for maupopo? I understand. Maupopo. Oh, maupopo. 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 We understand?
We understand.
Alright. Oh, can you show me maupopo?
Oh.
Okay, Micah. Oh. Mahalo. How about when we don't understand? What is the signal for when we don't understand?
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. Maybe we got to come up with a new one. You guys have an idea for a hand signal? It can be any hand signal, so long as I can see it.
No, it was this.
Oh, was it like this?
Yeah, was
Okay.
it like that?
Oh, okay. Maybe raise it up high, then I can really see. If you don't understand, yeah, follow. Oh, I gotta figure out the word for this. That's an interesting motion. Okay. How about the word for this motion? What do you guys know? How do we say this word? What is the word? You remember the word? I. How about this word? You guys remember? Aole. 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 Okay. Maupopo aole. Oh, okay. Okay. Maupopo. We already talked about that. Oh, maupopo. Yeah. How about nana? Yeah, you remember what does nana mean? What nana means? Nana kamaka. Nana kamaka. Remember this? Ai, nana kamaka. 15. Nana kamaka. How about ho'olohe ka pepeao? This is what Kiai was doing last time. He had both of his lima up and his pepeao. What does ho'olohe ka pepeao mean? Tapasa kapohinano. What does ho'olohe kapepeao? Oh, go ahead.
Listen.
Listen. Mahalo. And what is our pepeo?
Ear.
Ooh, look at you. You understand ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Okay, how about ʻŌlelo? What was our signal for ʻŌlelo?
I think it was.
Oh, I remember. You guys remember?
Oh,
Yeah.
Giselle.
Giselle's hula. Oh, tell a story. The words are coming out from my mouth and going out into the world. Mahalo. ʻŌlelo. Okay. Okay, Kapohinana, can you do us a round of Sadie says? But instead of doing Sadie says, let's say ʻŌlelo ke kumu. So Sadie's gonna be the kumu, and we're gonna stand up, and she's gonna play ʻŌlelo ke kumu with us. Can you guys kuilona? So I guess it's like a race, yeah. Let's see how fast you can do it, and let's see. I don't know. If you get it right, you get 100 points. How about that? Okay.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Wait. How are you supposed to say?
ʻŌlelo ke kumu.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. ʻŌlelo.
Oh, ʻŌlelo. Tell us story. Kelly, where's your ʻŌlelo? Can you show the motion for ʻŌlelo? Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. ʻŌlelo ke kumu mapopo.
Oh, maopopo.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu nana.
Oh my God. Nana.
Hoʻolohe. I don't think nobody got that one.
That's okay.
Okay. ʻŌlelo ke kumu mapopo.
Oh.
Nana.
Oh, Kumu Kapua is being real tricky right now. She's not saying ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Okay.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu ʻŌlelo.
ʻŌlelo, tell the story.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu hoʻolohe.
Okay, mai kai. Ho'olohe. Mai kai. Mahalo. Kailima. Hey, maybe if it helps, you guys can say the word when we do it too, yeah? Ho'olohe, say the word, and then do the motion. Mai kailo. Okay. Remember our the parts we learned yesterday? Can you guys point to your maka? Where's your maka? Ai, polole. Maka. Oh, maka. How about your pepeo? Where's your pepeo? Ai, polole. That is correct. Polole. Pepeo. How about our waha? Did we go over waha? Okay, not really, huh?
I think we did because waha is there.
Oh, we introduced waha with the card, but we didn't really spend a lot of time with it. So our waha is our mouth. Waha.
Well, that's really our math report.
Yeah.
So our mouth is not.
Oh, okay. All right. So today we're gonna practice a new word. How do you guys say it with me? Say nui. Nui. And then opposite of nui is so maybe you have a sense of what nui means, eh? Nana. Ho nui kawaha. Nui kawaha.
Wait, how do you say it?
Nui kawaha.
Yeah.
Oh, ka hippopotamus.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know the word for hippopotamus in ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. I'm sure there is one though. Nui kawaha, yeah? Oh, nui kawaha. Mapopo? Nui kawaha? Mapopo, ai, mapopo, like that. Nui kawaha. I'm gonna ask. Why don't we ask? So Eliza and Emmeline, I'll ask you, I or ʻaʻole, and then you can tell me. Yeah, you can either tell me or you can show me. I, yes, or ʻaʻole. No. Hikino? Okay.
Nui ka hippopotamus.
Hippopotamu. Oh, nui ka hippopotamu. That's a hard word. That's a big word. That word is nui too. Okay, Emily and Eliza. Nui ka waha. Ai ʻaʻole. Nui ka waha. Ai, nui ka waha. Nui ka maka. Nui ka maka. What do you think, Kapohinana? Nui ka waha.
Actually, I don't know. I never seen a hippo.
Or like compared to his face. Nui?
Oh, ʻaʻole.
ʻaʻole. Pehea ka pepeo. Nui.
ʻaʻole.
ʻaʻole. Nui ka waha. Yeah? Okay. Nana. Oh. Nui ka pepeo. Mapopo? Mapopo nui ka pepeo? Oh. Eliza, Emily. Nui ka pepeo? Ai ʻaʻole. Nui ka pepeo? Ai, nui ka pepeo. Maikaʻi kiaʻi. Nui no ka pepeo. Yeah? Maikaʻi. Nui ka pepeo. Ooh. Here. Nui ka pepeo? Nui ka waha. Which one is it?
I don't even think they have a pepeo.
Yeah, does a crocodile have a pepeo? Is it nui ka pepeo or nui ka waha? Which one?
Waha.
Olole, maikaʻi loa, nui no ka waha. And oh, brave yada manu. He just hopped inside and he's brushing, he's cleaning the crocodile's teeth. Oh, wow. What a brave bird. But I think the crocodile is happy because he had to brush now, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
How about this? How do we describe this picture? Nui ka waha.
ʻaʻole.
ʻaʻole nui ka waha. Nui ka
Pepeo.
polole. Nui ka pepeo. Polole kiaʻi. Nui ka pepeo. And cute kia. Nui ka pepeo. ʻaʻole nui ka waha. Pehea. How about these pepeo? Nui. Nui ka pepeo.
Compared to other animals, probably ʻaʻole.
ʻaʻole. Kike loa, yeah? Liʻiliʻi ka pepeo. Hi? What do you guys think? Nui ka pepeo? ʻaʻole nui ka pepeo. Nui? ʻaʻole nui.
I mean, kind of like in the middle.
Oh, in the middle ka pepeo. Hikino. Wow. Oh, how about kawaha? Oh, cute, yeah. What is that one? Tristed or maybe that's a cereal, yeah? What is that?
I think that's a trick.
Oh, tricks. Do you guys eat that? I also eat the tricks. Yeah, you eat this kind, tricks.
This
is a chinchilla. Here, nui ka pep. Let's see. Nui ka waha. Nui ka waha. Oh, okay. Sadie thinks in the middle too. Oh, we better learn that word. Medium size. Medium size what? You guys agree? Medium size.
Like medium, but
How
kind of like inside the small size.
Yeah, I was thinking he's just like eating small, yeah. So maybe he wants small waha. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Nana kelamo chocho lips, yeah. Nui kawaha. Oh.
Nui kawaha.
Nui no kawaha. He keai pehea. Nui kawaha. Ai, nui lo kawaha. Aui. Make oya I honi. Oh, pehea ke ia.
Oh.
Nui ka pepeo.
Ah.
Oh, nui lo ka pepeo. Yeah. Ai, nui ka pepeo. Ai, polole, nui ka pepeo. And ole Photoshop ke ia. Real picture. Okay. Te hea. Nui ka lima.
Which one?
Nui ka lima. Oh, which one? Okay, yeah. There's two lima. Is there a lima that's nui?
I.
Is there a lima that's ole nui? Hi. Okay. Makai. Oh, we just learned a new word too. Do we know what lima means? Kalima? Yeah.
And
Ai, polole. Everybody, let's point to our lima. Where's nana kalima. Oh, anybody have a lima nui? Nui kalima?
I kind of have like a li.
Liili kalima.
Well, kind of.
I really gotta find out that word. Oh, in the middle kalima. Oh, look at Kiai and his mama. Compared to Kiai's lima, kalima ka mama. Oh, nui. Oh, like that. But I think when Kiai gets big, oh, nui no kana lima. Nui kana lima. Okay, paanigato. So behind us, Sadie, Papua Hinano doesn't know this yet. I'm going to ask her to, what happened to Maka? Do you see Maka anything? Oh, it's open. Okay. Oh, let's take out our cards and we want to find the cards for Maka. You guys find the words for Maka, for Waha, for Pepeo, and for Lima. Okay. And we're gonna ask Kumu Hinano, the teacher, if she can kahaki'i draw one of those pictures. So it's gonna be like Pictionary. She's gonna hide her papake'o. And then when it's time, she's gonna show it. And we gotta grab our card and show which one it is. You know? Okay, I'll give you guys some time to get that set up. I'll stop screen sharing.
Which cards again, Simon?
Okay, so we got our lima, our pepeo, our waha, and our maka. Our eyes, our mouth, our ears, and our head. Okay. Maybe lay them in front of you, then you can grab them real fast and show you. And even better if you can grab them and say, Lima, Pepeo. Yeah, if it's not too noisy at you folks' house, you can turn on your microphone. Then you won't have to rush to press it. You can just answer. There's only a few of us today, so fine. Okay. Let me know when we are maka, yeah? And you should get maka. You want to pick your color, maka. And you can actually, Sadie can start. She can kahaki. She can decide what she's gonna. So she's gonna draw either a maka, a lima, a pepeo, or a waha. And when she shows, oh, actually, Pictionary is like you draw it while people are watching, yeah. So if you can guess right away, then that's actually not cool. Oh, look at Pelehu. There's some Pelehu walking past over there. Okay, Sadie, ready? So when everybody is makoko, then you start drawing. Makoko? Emily, makoko? Okay. Oh, wait,
Oh, God.
I need to get closer, Sadie. Let me give you a darker color.
I'll make that person better.
This and then let's I got it.
Oh.
come a little bit closer. Oh, that was a good kiss. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Oh, my kai. Yeah, can you say the word? Oh, my kai, girls. Hi, my kai lo. Ooh, 1,000 points to Kiai because he was first, and 500 and 500 to Emily and Eliza. My kai lo. Okay, Hanaho. Ready? Makoko. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm doing easy because most of it I can't do.
Oh my God. Wow, my God. Can I hear the song?
Bigger.
Call it out, you guys. What is it?
Wow.
Wow, wow.
Oh. Wait, why did I close it?
Drop it.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, Eliza and Emmeline were fast for that one. What is it, Eliza and Emmeline? Lima, my kai. Oh, my kai. Yeah. 1 million points to everybody. Oh my. Okay. Maybe.
You're just strange.
Well, we got one more.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Polole.
Oh,
Makoko. Oh, my kai. Wow, look at that pepeo. No, pepeo. Okay. Oh, Emmeline, did you guys pick up your cards yesterday? I remember that's the kind of okay. My kai, my kai. Okay. Let's jump back onto our Pokemon, our PowerPoint. You guys are doing my kai. Hello, Anakala, Jimmy Fallon. Hey. So we talked about on Paulu on Tuesday. Nana kamaka ho'olohe kapepeo. And here's a new part to that saying pa'akawa. How many of you guys go fishing? You go fishing? Have you ever heard kapua? When you go fishing, you're not supposed to talk story. No, you never heard that before. In the old days, when Hawaii would go fishing, you're not supposed to talk. Pa'akawa. What do you guys think that is?
Oh,
Why?
guys.
Maybe so you don't scare away the fish.
Don't scare away the fish, yeah? Because maybe this was a joke, but they said the fish, they get pepeo. They get pepeo. So even if you're leaving the house and somebody asks you, oh, hui, kapua hinana, where are you going? She might say, oh, I'm just going holo. I'm just going around. Or she might even say, oh, I'm going up to the mountain go look for, I don't know. Kiawe. Oh, that's smart. Yeah, because kiawe doesn't grow in the mountain. So I know, oh, she's not going to the mountain. She's going to go holo, yeah, go fishing. So the have pepea. The other thing is when we learn, in a Hawaiian style of teaching, we have to nana with our maka and ho'olohe with our pepea. Haka. Yeah. Or what do you guys think? If aole nana ka maka, aole ho'olohe ka pepea, how are we going to learn?
smell.
Honikaifu. And maybe hoa o kawaha, you can taste with your mouth too. So you be like a dog, yeah.
Or like touch or like texture.
Okay, my kai. Okay, that's being resourceful. Okay, so we have a picture of Anake, and she always tells our keiki when she's teaching how to make lei, she goes, "Hoi, nanakamaka." Look with your eyes, not with your mouth. Yeah. So one place we can use this ʻŌlelo. Where can we say, "Oh, nanakamaka" in our lives?
Like when you're teaching somebody something.
Okay. So,
and then they're just like.
So you might be like, "Oh, watch and learn, nanakamaka," like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if they don't watch and learn, then after they're gonna be like.
Oh, so you also mean like pay attention, yeah?
Yeah, like.
Wait, nanakamaka, pay attention. Okay, okay. Have you ever heard your tutu or your mama tell you, "Open your eye"?
No, they usually just give me licky.
You just get scoldings, yeah? Oh, wait.
Yeah, or the wooden spoon.
Oh, Etiola, I hope you're watching. Nana. My mom, like, I'll be looking around for like my socks or like something and be like, "Mom, where's my socks? Where's my keys?" Go, "Hey, open your eyes." Nanakamaka. So that's another way we can use that word. Yeah? Okay. Today, let's introduce a new word. Hana. Hana. Can we say these sounds? Ha.
Ha.
Na.
Na.
Hana.
Hana.
What do we? Hana. What do you guys think Hana means? Looking at these pictures. Go ahead, Eliza.
Doesn't it mean like work?
Mahalo. How'd you figure? Did you know that before? Okay, my kai. Hana. My kai lo. Oh yeah, hello. It's part of our theme, yeah. Hana. Okay, my kai. So we can move quickly through this. Give me an I or a ole if it's true or not. Okay. Hana kalima. Ai? Hana kalima.
I.
Olole, Hana kalima. My kai. Hana kalima.
Ah.
Ai, olole, Hana kalima. How about this word? Ai.
Eat.
Olole, ai. Can we come up with a motion for Hana and a motion for ai? What's a hand motion we can use for Hana?
Maybe like pretending you're working or something.
Like
this.
Okay.
That would be funny. Has something for eating.
Okay, and then for eating, we go like this, like we're eating a big hamburger. Channel or typing, and then ai, ai. Oh my god! Oh, you gotta say it like that too, like ai, Hana, ai. Okay, my god. From you, Eliza. I wanna hear Hana, ai. Try. Yeah, you wanna try? You guys wanna try? Let me hear.
Let's see. Hana. I.
Woohoo! My god. Hana, ai. Oh, those two actions are really connected. Tommy, ai kawaha.
It's my dog.
Oh, polole.
Yeah.
Oko ili okela. Ai kawaha, ai aole. Ai kawaha ea, ai kawaha. Hana kalima.
Or I, because then like.
Oh, you're too nice.
To the food.
Polole maybe kalima. Yeah. Oh, but it's a ili also. Okay, lima. Okay, anyway, ai kawaha, yeah? Ai kawaha. I know. Ooh. Ai kawaha, hana kalima. Which one is it?
Well, it's kind of easy lifting up a foot, so.
Yeah. Okay, hana no. Okay, kalima is hana,
Yeah.
but I know kawaha, yeah? And pehea kawaha, nui kawaha. Oh. Maybe one bowl, one bite, you know, yeah. Ai kawaha. Oh my God. Oh no, keiki, the pasta. Oh. Have you guys seen this before? What's happening in this picture?
I've seen it before, but I forgot what they're doing.
Oh. Yeah, do you know?
Boy.
Oi!
What are
Ole.
they doing?
Can you describe what's happening here? What is that black thing in his lima?
What are they doing here?
That means I want to eat it.
Oh yeah. Aye, me too. I want to ai kapoi. Okay, so there's mashing the kalo with a big pohaku, a big stone. Would it be right for me to say hana kalima? Aye, polole. If I hana kalima, then I kawa. Does that make sense? Hana kalima, whoo, I kawa. But if he never hana his lima, he gonna ai kapoi. Oh, hey, boy.
It's gonna be like just
Just a kalo, yeah. And then he probably had to cook that before, and he had to cook it from the ground. Oh, nui kahana, yeah. Nui kahana. Hana kalima, ai kawa. Okay, nanakako. Do we know what they're doing? Maybe this is the first time you're seeing this kind of picture. These aunties are planting rice. They're planting rice. Have you guys ever seen this before? So, here, hana kalima. Ay, hana no, hard work. You gotta imagine planting rice is lots of fun. Bent over until the day is done. Oh, hard work. But hana kalima, ay kawaha, yeah. If they never plant a seed or rice, would the keiki be eating? Ole. Ole hana kalima. Ole ay kawaha. Oh yeah. We have to hana kalima before we ai kawaha. Yeah. Okay. My cut. So this is another Hawaiian saying from our kupuna. Hana kalima ai kawaha. What do we think that means?
you have to work to eat.
You gotta work if you like eat. Oh my God. I like that manao. You guys have any ideas? How would you explain this to somebody if they ask you, what does this mean? Hana kalima ai kawaha?
It means like you have to like work, and if you don't work, you'll never be able to eat.
Ay, my God. You think we could use this in other situations? Like maybe we're doing homework. Would that still apply? It's a different kind of I maybe, but same thing, right? If we don't do our homework, are we gonna get like the good grade or increase our understanding? So our kupuna might tell us, to remind us, hanakalima ay kawaha. Hey, you better do your work or you're not gonna get the result of what you're trying to do. Maopopo? Okay. Akamai yada kupuna. They're so smart. Okay. So if you also say it in English, we say, the hand works, the mouth eats. Maopopo yakako? Ay, mai ka ilo. Okay, holo mo. E paani pe pakako. We're gonna add let's see. We're going to add a few more words to our paani. So I'm gonna stop sharing and you can check out what's on the spread right now. Let's see. Oh, no, you might got you. Okay, mahalo. Okay, so we have from the other class, maka, lim. Oh, and we're adding. Okay, we have maka, pepeo, waha, and a new word is lima. Yeah, and remember, if you guys can, just pin the video so you can see the picture better. Yeah. Pepeo.
What cards do we need?
Okay. Can you guys pin the video with the cards? You guys can see. Okay. Maka, our eye, pepeo, our ear, waha, our mouth. And a new card is lima. How come so many pepeo? And hana.
Hana. Oh, we need Hana.
ʻŌlelo. Okay.
And then done.
Okay, so we got. Oh, sorry, my phone is. No wonder my phone is.
Can you hear yourself?
Can you guys still hear? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mahalo. Okay, that's easier to see. Okay. Lima, Hana, and here's another new word for us today. Ai. And I want to add two new words that we're going to talk about next time. My ka'i and on. That should be my ka'i. You want to find the mele for the rest?
Wait, it does not have a partner?
Yeah, supposed to. Oh, here, let me. Okay, so same way, if you guys want to play, let's play My Kuina. Let's play some concentration, some memory for a little bit. And then Al Kapaani at the end, we'll come back to you. You know? So our new words, once again, is ono, mai ka'i, hana, ai, and lima.
Didn't we do Hana the last time?
Oh, did we do hana the last time?
Yeah, we like learned Hana, but in ʻŌlelo there was.
Oh, my ka'i. And what was the motion for hana? Oh, it was like this, yeah.
And I don't think we also had a motion for Hana.
We did have a different motion?
No, we did.
Okay. Okay. Oh, all the color four. Alasiri, now you can trick me by only picking the yellow cards. Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. Lima. Okay. Makoko? Okay, so we're gonna huli our cards. You guys can play. Play with each other. Does everyone have these cards? Yeah. Okay. Can we spend a little bit of time playing My Kuina together? So mix up your cards, move it around. Yeah. Uy. Go ahead, Papoy.
I don't think you can see up there.
Yeah. You guys can listen a little bit. We'll model some of the words. Last time we used Ko manava and ko manava. Your turn, my turn. And the other word we can use is huli. Huli is when you turn the card over. Huli. Huli kapepa. Huli. Makakao ka po yun, ano? Ah, you're always up. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Wahaku upa peppa. Okay. No. Komana.
Hana.
Oh, Anna and I. Okay. Nima. Maopopo. Oh, Micah, Ian, good that you say the sound.
Maopopo and
Ah!
Maopopo.
Hey, kolohe oi. I think you and hide that over there from before. Kolohe lo, awe no hai. Okay. Oh, manava. Pepe ao. ʻŌlelo. If you guys ever play my puina with kapuahina, no, you better watch out. Crap. Okay.
You got it wrong because it was before.
Anonius look to me that look. Nana maya. Waha.
Oh no.
Oh no. Aole launa. Aole launa. Maka. Mahalo mele. ʻŌlelo. Aole launa. Aka ua iti mamua. ʻŌlelo.
I
didn't
notice that.
Oh yeah. Wait, okay. My kai. Oh no. Uli kape. Como navo? Uli kape. Anna. Oh, nana. Nana, no. Ole launa. Oh, aquí. Woo! Nana. Oh, finally, mahalo. Walauna. Ho'o kahi ai. One eye. Ho'o kahi. Komana.
I keep on picking the same cards.
Wait. Make oi ka waha e. Waha e me ma. Ole launa. Uli ka pepa. Pepe ao. Ole na. ʻŌlelo. Wait. Hai, ʻaʻole launa. ʻaʻole like. ʻaʻole launa.
Maka.
Okay.
Ho'olohe.
Oh, my kai ʻaʻole. ʻaʻole like. Oko a. ʻaʻole like. Okay. Oh, Hana. Okay. Oh, aya ʻŌlelo.
Kumu Simon, don't call me Johnny. I know you that one.
Salam alaikum. Analua, I was second guessing myself.
Okay.
Komana.
Lima.
Lima. Lima. Oh, okay. Lima no.
Whatever. Lima.
Solole. Olel. A'ole ke ʻŌlelo. Hanu. Okay, mahalo. Oh, olu. Oh yeah, you left that for me. Mahalo.
Okay. Marco. What?
Mai kai, hana ho.
What? Oh, wait. No.
A'ole like.
I mean, you can.
I gotta check if, because Lana is like matching, match each other. But like is like not the same. Onno, okay, onno. Okay, my God.
Oh.
I think Kia, you and beat us already. Look like Kia, you foul.
Waha.
Olohe. Oh, wait. Oh, Kiki. Okay.
Oh, great.
My point. Pepe. I will help. Pepe. Oh.
Simon, you run ahead of me.
Full man up. Oh, ayo ka ʻŌlelo.
Okay.
ʻŌle like. ʻŌlelo. ʻŌlelo. Yee. Oh, my God.
I'm 30% right now.
Oh, okay. La mai ka ike no Kumu Simon.
Okay. My cut
Ai,
is
mai ka e.
what?
Waha. Oh,
I am 30% right now.
ʻŌle like. Mai ka i. Ah. Oh. Ike ni oi. Waha. Mai kai. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, let's move it for the kids. Yeah, no mix them up, you.
I'm not. Lima.
Oh, alohe.
Oh.
Hey. Oh. Lima. Oh, mahalo. Walike.
Okay. Oh no. Maka.
Oh, maka. Iya.
Oh.
Oleh maka. Oh, alohe. Oh, walike. Okay, good chance now. Okay, wow.
So difficult.
Oh, which one is it?
I don't know. I think it's this one. Oh.
Lana kilo. Okay, like that. Here I. Heluka. Kahi. Helua. Kolu. Eha.
Wait, I just lost. Wait, I think I have. Yeah.
Elima. Oh, kapua hina. Elima ai o kapua hinano. Hiku ai Kumu Simon. Woohoo! Lana kilo. Mahalo. Good. Okay, Pehea Kako. Pehea, how are we doing? Eliza and Emmeline, who won?
Anyone.
Oh, okay, tie, same. Oh, how about you, Kiai? Oh, Emmeline, is that Emmeline won?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations. Oh my God. Yay, Lanakila or Emily. Kiai, Tehea, how did you do?
Do.
Good.
Okay, my ka'i.
I could eat.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do a little bit fast review, and then I'm gonna, next week when we come back to the next game we're gonna do next week is go fish. Elavai. So I'll have some a sheet with the words, and I can print that up for Kumu Shelly, and then she'll let you guys know when you can pick it up. Okay, so today we talked about Nana Kamaka o Olohe Kapepe. What does that mean? What does Nana Kamaka mean? O Olohe Kapepe?
Look with your eyes and listen with your ears.
Okay, is that what you want to say, Eliza?
I was gonna say the same thing.
Okay, and what does that mean, Eliza?
It means that like you have to, when you're learning something or somebody's like telling you how to do something, you have to look and pay attention, or else you won't be able to learn it.
Mahalo. Olole. That is correct. Mahalo nui. Okay. You guys want to read? One of you guys want to read our second ʻŌlelo no ia? I'm gonna try to say it. Go ahead. Yeah, you want to try? Okay, for Opidi.
Yeah.
I kawaha.
No. I kawaha, but first is hana ka
Maka.
hana ka what? Lima.
Hanakawaha too, yeah? When we talk story, whoo, hanakawaha. Like that. And what does hanakalima ai kawaha mean?
You have to work so you can eat.
Oh, you gave the deep explanation. That's the kaono. Like that. And then if we just say regular English, what happened here? I don't. Hanakalima, the hand works. Ai kawaha. Okay, how's that time? Okay, we get one fast game for one rapid fire ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Do you guys think we can do ʻŌlelo ke kumu if I take down the screen? I won't show the words. So try to remember what ʻŌlelo means, how to do nana, ʻolohe, then hana and aida. So let's review real fast, and then Kapoe Hinana can take us through on super fast speed, Viki Paani. So hana kalima, right? Hana. Then big hamburger, yeah? Kawaha, okay? Then ʻolohe kapepea, yeah? Nana kam. Hana kalima. Kawaha. ʻolohe kapepea. Nana kama. Oh, we have to add in ʻŌlelo kawaha too, yeah? Okay, makaka? Makaka, we good? Hey, kuino lalas paani. ʻŌlelo ke kumu.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu.
Okay, wahanui. Nice loud voice.
Wait. What are the
Leonui.
words?
ʻŌlelo ke kumu nana. ʻŌlelo, ʻolohe, hana.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Nana. ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Olohe.
Oh, right.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Hana. Nana.
Oh, you guys are off the mic.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Wait, is it mapupu?
Yeah?
ʻŌlelo ke kumu mapupu.
Oh.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Ai. Nana. ʻŌlelo ke kumu. Ai. ʻŌlelo ke kumu. ʻŌlelo. Nana.
Okay, Micah, ipailima kako. Mahalo ka po hinano. Do you guys, any of you guys want to try? Eliza, you want to try ʻŌlelo ke kumu maybe next time? We'll put up the sign and then you can read for us, yeah?
Maybe.
Okay, mahalo. Okay, you guys have fun today? Was today okay? Yeah, he was like, nah. Okay, mahalo nui. All right, so until we meet again, malama pono, ahui ho kako. Until we meet again, let's take care in the right way. And I want to mahalo you guys. Because of you, e ola mau ka ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi on lanai. Because of you, Hawaiian language is alive on lanai. So let the language live forever. Mahalo nui. Ahui ho kako. Ahui ho, aloha. Ahui ho.
Mahalo.
I was too tired from the